What is going on, my parientes? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Pariente here, and today we are gonna be reviewing snacks from Buc-ee's. And here with me is Abby.
Hi.
And we will be reviewing some Buc-ee's pecan nuts, some ghost pepper jerky, some cinnamon muffins, and a red velvet whoopie pie. We are gonna be starting off with some pecans. Alright, Miss Panitas, they're pretty warm, honestly. Okay, Miss Panitas. Cheers.
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 Oh, sure.
Very nice, crispy, and glazy. I could eat these all day, honestly.
It's a great table. I like it.
Thank you. What do you think? What would you rate it?
I would rate them. Oh, sure. Solid 7 out of 10.
Oh, she's going with a 7 out of 10. I think I'm gonna go with an 8 out of 10. Very warm and glazy, crispy, Miss Panitas. Let's move on to the next and try some ghost. We are gonna be reviewing this ghost pepper jerky next. You could only get it in stores. You cannot get it online. It smells very spicy.
I can't smell.
Would you
At
like
all.
to try? Would you like to try one? Cheers. Oh, look at Miss Brenda. It's so red and crisp. Cheers.
Ready? I'm just holding it.
Mm. Okay, Miss Brenda. It's very hot. Fair warning, Miss Brenda. If you cannot handle spice tolerance, this is not for you. Fair warning. But this is some bomb beef jerky, ghost pepper. I think I would give it a 10 out of 10 with spiciness and tastefulness, Mis Parientes. Well, it's very good. We'll go with the sweets next, Mis Parientes. You want to go with velvet first?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna go with velvet first. We're gonna have Abby try them first because she's the one that picked that one. Okay, Miss Parientes.
Okay, so the red velvet. You don't want to show the camera what it
Oh
looks
yeah.
like?
Okay, Miss Parientes, look at the red velvet whippy cream.
Don't drop it.
So glazy and velvety. Oh, it's chocolate. Velvet is chocolate, Miss Parientes. So for the people that didn't know like me, chocolate is velvet. Or velvet is chocolate.
Okay.
Mm. Okay, Miss Parientes, what do you think?
I think it's soft and
Spongy?
yeah. The cream is creamy.
Creamy? I don't know. I'm not a big fan of velvet, so I think I would go with like a 7 out of 10.
Well, I love red velvet, so I would go with 8.5.
8.5. I love the sponginess of the whipped cream, that's for sure. Gives a very good flavor. The velvet, it's good. Just not a big fan of velvet, but it's good, very good. Okay, Miss Panitas. What's next is this nice muffin. This is a cinnamon chip muffin, so we are gonna go with this. Look at this. Delicious. It smells very cinnamony. Ooh, very crunchy. Okay, Miss Biker. This is bomb. I don't know. But with me, I think with this muffin, not being biased or anything, but this would be like a 9.5 out of 10. 9.5, Miss Benitez. What do you think?
I'd give it a 9.
I think with some coffee, it would be even better, Miss Benitez. A good morning snack with some nice coffee, warm coffee. Perfect. I would have been 10 out of 10. But right now it's the afternoon and we do not need coffee right now. But that's all we are reviewing tonight at Buc-ee's. There's a lot more options, and if you want me to review more stuff at Buc-ee's, let me know what you guys would want me to review. But actually, Buc-ee's has some great snacks that are like 10 out of 10 in general. But I really enjoy these snacks. I don't know about you.
I did.
It is a nice road trip snack, mis parientes. I'd recommend the muffin, the red velvet pecans, and ghost pepper jerky, mis parientes. So make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, mis parientes.